Before we start, let me introduce a new family member. Hey, Benny, this is Benny. Hello, coffee lovers, welcome back. It is summertime in my part of the world, Thailand and the Philippines. And when it's this time of the year, mango is in season. So I wanted to share with you a recipe that will be using mango. We will be making a smoothie, but not just any smoothie. I'm going to show you how to make dirty mango smoothie. That means we are going to use coffee with mango. Have you tried coffee with mango? I thought it would really taste good, especially it's going to be a smoothie and making it a little bit dirty by putting some coffee. For the coffee, we are going to make two types of coffee. For those with espresso machines, or you want to add this to your posh coffee shops, you may give this a shot. And it's going to be the use of an espresso, but only one shot. I don't want to overpower the taste of the mango smoothie. It's going to be coffee flavored mango smoothie. We are also going to make instant coffee dirty mango smoothie. So two ways, let's go and find out how they taste like. To make this dirty mango smoothies, let's look at the ingredients. For my espresso, I'm going to use my medium roast coffee beans. We are going to grind it fresh and brew it from our espresso machine. And for the instant coffee, I am going to use this one, which is called Noble Essence Instant Coffee. Not Nescafe this time. You can use any brand of instant coffee that you have available or your favorite. And of course, we are going to use milk syrup. Also, because this is a smoothie, I'd like it to be a bit more milky. We're going to mix fresh milk with our milk syrup. And then we are going to use vanilla syrup. Now, I've run out of my homemade vanilla syrup, so I'm going to use a commercial one. But if you don't have vanilla syrup, you may also use a regular sugar syrup because the taste is already strong and good, of course, because of the mango. I'm going to make 2 drinks using 22 ounces cups, really large cups. Why? Because I have a really large mango here. I'm just going to use half for each of the cups. Let's get started. First, let us make our coffee. The reason why I want to make the coffee first is because it's going to be hot, and really when you make an iced drink, if you're making an espresso, it's sometimes better to pull your espresso shots and let it cool down before you add it to your iced drinks, but for now, or even smoothies. But for now, we are going to just brew it fresh and then add it into our smoothie later. Let's start with making our instant coffee. For this, I am going to use 1 ounce of hot water, and because I want it to be coffee flavored mango smoothie, I'm going to use only 2 teaspoons of my coffee. Now that's Benny. 2 teaspoons of my instant coffee. You don't want it any stronger because you just want a little flavor of the coffee. Give it a good stir to dissolve the coffee. And we're going to set this aside for later. Now we are going to make our espresso shot. Because we only need 1 shot of espresso, I'm going to use only 1 scoop of coffee beans into my grinder. So because this is at home, I don't really put a lot of coffee beans into my grinder. I want to keep it fresh right here in the bag. And then we are going to start grinding. That's all of it. And now we are going to level it onto our basket. I've got my espresso shot here. Let's put it aside for now. And now let's make our mango. I'm going to use 1/2 mango for 1 blend. Okay, that's 1/2. And then we are going to add our ingredients, which is 2 ounces of our milk syrup. Two ounces of milk syrup and also 2 ounces of fresh milk. And we need 1 ounce of our vanilla syrup. That's it. And we need 1/2 a cup of ice. Only 1/2 because this is a smoothie. Usually when you make a smoothie, you don't even add ice, but because my mango is not frozen, I need to add a little bit of ice. 1/2 cup of ice into the blender, and we are ready to blend. And we have our mango smoothie. I'm going to pop this in the fridge and then bring it back to assemble later. For our next blend, actually I could have done it at the same time, but I wanted to show you how to do it step by step. We are going to do the same thing. Let's put our half the mango into our blender. Two ounces of fresh milk, 2 ounces of milk syrup, and once again 1 ounce of vanilla syrup. Okay, and then we need half a cup of ice. Pop this in the blender. So blend it for at least 45 seconds and pour it into our extremely large cup. Smoothie. My mango is not very yellow, although when you look at it, it is extremely yellow. But this is the natural color, okay? Do not add any coloring into this. And you have your second mango smoothie. I did mention dirty coffee, so I'm going to start with the one using my cool down espresso shot. So just pour it around the side. Time to give it a try. Coffee and mango. Now this I think is my, I cannot remember which one it is. Make it even dirtier. Combine the coffee with the mango smoothie. I think it is the instant coffee. It tastes absolutely delicious. Wow. It's a lot of mango smoothie with a hint of coffee. Perfect. You must give this a try. Next one, this must be the espresso, darker color. Cheers. Definitely the espresso. But you know, it took me a little bit of time to figure out which one is which. They actually taste very, very similar. Try these two recipes in your milk tea or coffee shop or at home, especially when you have a lot of mango at home. So there you have it, 2 different coffee flavored mango smoothies. Do give these recipes a try, and I really look forward to hearing what you think of mango with coffee. If you have any questions at all about these recipes, do let me know. And don't forget to click that subscribe button below for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, as always, stay safe, stay cool. Summer is really very, very hot this year. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.